Welcome back to my channel. Mark here. I'm just getting ready to go up and I'm going to do a update on the log beehive that I'm taking care of. I'm going to get my stuff on and go up here and look at this hive and see how it's doing. The bees there yesterday, it got up to about 70 degrees here and they were flying, and I didn't have my jacket with me, so I got it today. So I'm going to go up here and take a look at the bees in the log beehive. I thought they were dead. I thought that they hadn't made it through the winter, but evidently they did, and we've still got bees in that hive. So I'll take you all along with me, and let's go look at some bees. Well, right here they are. Sorry about the wind. The wind's blowing. It's about 70 degrees here today, and they're flying pretty strong, but I thought that these things were dead, and they're just here in this here log right here. But they seem to be flying in and out of there strong. I don't see any pollen or anything on them. But what this log beehive is they cut a tree in here where I work at, and these bees were in that tree. And what this is a sycamore log. But they seem to be doing good. Hopefully they can continue to make it and do fine for us. But what I will do is I'll just keep an eye on these. We're not going to take them out of here. They don't want them taken out, and I'm going to see if we can at least get this log raised up off the ground a little bit or something under it to where it's not setting right on the ground like this. But they seem to be doing well. But you can see how they're flying in and out right here. So we'll just let them alone and we'll let them do their thing. And as far as I know, these bees have never had any treatment, and I don't know really how long they have been in here, but they seem to be pretty strong. So I don't see them carrying in any pollen, but at least they're out of flying. I may bring some pollen sub in here and give to them so they have some pollen to going in and out of here. But like I said earlier on here, I don't know how long they've been in here, but this would be some good stock if you could catch them in a swarm trap or something. If they swarm out of here, this would be some good stuff to have, because like I said, evidently they know how to take care of the mites and stuff, because it's hard to tell how long they have been in here. So, but they don't seem to be too awful mean either, so that's a good thing too. I love it. I love to see the bees working like this. this is just an update on the hive, the log beehive here. And like I said, it's in here at my workplace, and I've been asked to oversee this and take care of it. So we're going to see what happens here. Like I said, they have never had any treatment, so we're going to see how they do. I will bring a swarm box in here and put up and see if we can catch a swarm out of here if they swarm. And then what I will probably do is put them in a hive if they do swarm out, and we'll see if we can keep these genetics going. But these things are pretty tough, and to make it in this tree like this and never have anything done to them, they've got to know how to take care of the mite problems. So I will get off here. If you like these videos, please like and subscribe if you're new here. And I will be doing updates on this log beehive throughout the summer and let you all see how it goes here. But this is a log beehive that is at my workplace, and I'm taking care of it. But anyhow, like I said, if you like these videos, please like and subscribe. Share them with your family and friends. And most of all, if you just stop by here to see bees in a log, don't forget to hit the like button, because this is what gets this video out here and going. I will see y'all on the next one. And y'all have a great day, and may the good Lord bless you in whatever y'all are doing today. I will see y'all on the next one.